Good morning. Hebrew alphabet, excited to share with you the 8th letter, Chet. The building blocks of creation, the language that we love so much. Chet as the 8th letter has a value of 8, a gematria of 8. It's pronounced Chet, Chet. The ancient picture of Chet is a tent wall, symbolizing protection. The pronouncement, Che, for Chet. And then remember we had the G for Gimel, now we have the Ch for Chet. Words in Hebrew such as Chai, which means life, or Chasit, which means faith. Also 8 symbolizes to be saturated, to have more than enough. Why? Because we had a cycle of 7, like remember the 7 days of creation. Now we're on the 8th, elevated into a different level. All the work of that 7 cycle now will bear the fruit and the consequences of what we've done in that first cycle. That's why it is to be saturated. God said, let us rest so that the earth can produce itself or reproduce itself, the creation. Chet is also, the letter Chet looks like a doorway if you look at it, but it's an open door. So it's just a doorway, an open door that you can walk through. So then understand that it means to go into the new, to start a new season, to start something new. But for us to start something new, we have to die in the old. Right? So we are currently in the parasha Acharei Mot. And Acharei Mot means after the death. Romans 8 being symbolized, 8 very important. Romans 8, which is a very important scripture, Romans 8 verse 6 says, if we allow our lives to be controlled by our old nature, it leads to sin, which is death. But if we allow ourselves to be controlled by the Spirit of Most High God, it means life and shalom. And then one of my favorite 8s is Psalm 8. And David writes, if I look at the moon and the stars, the work of your fingers, the universe, who are mere mortals that you are concerned with us? Who are we as humankind that you check on us and how we conduct our lives daily? Yet, you made us little less than a heavenly being, little less than angels, you and I. You crowned us with glory. And then, the most important thing, you appointed us as custodians of the work that your hands made. You and I, custodians of this beautiful creation. That's how much God trusts you and me. Thank you, Chet, for walking in obedience in your purpose. May grace and shalom be ours in full measure.